Hi everybody! Today I have a wintry frosty eye look, so let's get started. First things first, going into my Too Faced chocolate bar, going into the shade White Chocolate, and using that to set my eyeshadow primer. For the eye look, we're going into the Tarte Make Believe in Yourself palette. The first shade I'm going into here is Myth. I'm going to take that on my crease brush and throw that in my crease and my transition. I want to elongate this look a little bit, so I'm just tugging my eyelid back ever so slightly. Now I'm going to go into the shade Fairy. I'm going to press that on the outer third of my eyelid using my finger. Now I'm going to take a clean blending brush and just blend that shade in. And you'll see as I do this, the color kind of transforms. I wasn't expecting that, but it was a pleasant surprise. Going back into Myth, cleaned off the blending brush, and I'm just going to go over the border of that, smooth everything out, make sure I don't have any harsh lines. Now for some fun, tapping into the shade Fairy, again using my fingers on this, I'm going to place this on the first 2/3 of my eyelid. Whew, that is pretty! Now going back in, I'm going into the shade Crystal. For this one I'm going to use a very small brush. I'm going to place that on my tear duct. I'm also going to sweep that on about the first 1/4 of the lid, and can you see the swatches? I was trying to decide what color to put in here. Going back in with my crease brush, I did tap into Myth just one more time. I just want to make sure that everything is well blended there, that we don't have any harsh lines. Of course, you know it's all about blend, blend, blend. Pulled out my fluffier brush again to do some more blending, because that's what the name of this game is. Blend, 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 blend. Now we're going to go into the center shade, which is the highlight shade. I'm going to fluff that on my brow bone. And yeah, there's some fallout, but that's okay. We'll clean that up in a little bit. Now to brighten the inner rim, I'm using the Rimmel Scandaleyes Kajal pencil in Nude, and I'm going to run that in my waterline. I kind of hate using this one because I believe it's discontinued, but this is the Jordana Made to Last 12-Hour Kajal Pencil in Aqua, but it's such a pretty blue shade that I had to use it for this look. Now I'm going to go into the shade Dream. I'm taking that on a flat definer pencil, and I'm putting that on top of the liner we just laid down. I'm now going to take my pencil brush and just smudge that. Again, we're just in between the lashes there, nothing too smoked out. And there you have it, our finished and completed look. I really do love this. It's like 4 degrees, so I think it suits perfectly for this time of year. And I hope you guys liked it too. I want to, of course, thank you as always for spending some time with me. I truly, truly do appreciate it. Make sure before you leave that you are subscribe to my channel so that you don't miss out on any of my future videos. I will see you all next time. Bye-bye.